Hi, my name is Kate Armstead. I'm an occupational therapist. I work in a neuro outpatient facility. I was very excited when Saebo asked me to talk about the SaeboVR. One of my roles with the SaeboVR was to implement the study at our facility with patients who had been a year or more post-stroke. And what we were looking at is the efficacy of the SaeboVR to improve motor function in the hemiplegic extremity. And the exciting results is that yes, it could. And why I like the SaeboVR is because it blends two of the major things that we always look for in therapy when we're talking about neuro recovery as far as OTs are concerned, which is ADLs, functional task training, and then high amounts of repetition. And the SaeboVR allows for both of that in a fun way. I liked also how it was quick and easy. We know that as OTs we get really busy. We don't have time to waste when we have a patient for only 45 minutes or an hour. So what I liked about the SaeboVR is that it was easy to set up. It was also portable, which is really important for facilities that are interested in getting this product because you can easily transport it to, say, a patient's room or an outpatient facility or an inpatient facility. It's just nice to be able to take it around pretty easily. I think clinicians will really like the SaeboVR because you can use it on a wide variety of patients in terms of cognitive level and motor function. So you can adjust for those low-level patients in terms of motor function and also in terms of cognition, and you can also make it more challenging for those patients that are less impaired. In addition to it being really quick and easy to set up, I found that when we were doing the research study, a lot of the participants were really excited to participate in it. They enjoyed their functional activities, but they are kind of disguised as games, and the whole setup is very game-based. So it was motivating, I found, to patients, and we all know that with therapy, especially when we're trying to get a lot of repetitions, that you want something that's motivating to the patient. So that was really nice to see. I really recommend this type of product for anybody who works in a neuro outpatient facility or inpatient facility or with neuro patients in general, because you really do get that nice blend of high amounts of repetition, motivation, and functional based activities. I also think it would be a great modality to teach a patient to use and then eventually maybe have them use it at home, because it really is that easy to set up. It's super user friendly. So you know, I think it would be really beneficial for patients and clinicians to use in a variety of settings. The SaeboVR was a lot of fun to use with patients. It included a variety of different activities, whether it's pet bathing, grocery shopping, meal prep, putting away groceries, gardening, all these things which were really motivating to patients actually. And I liked being able to modify the different target points for patients so that you could get that just right challenge. So maybe move the target a little bit farther away once you start to see more of that motor recovery of the arm movements coming back. So you're able to make adjustments for different motor function levels, cognitive levels, and then you've got the progress right there on the screen for you to see as a clinician for your documentation, but also for the patient to see progress too, which can be really motivating for them. It incorporates a lot of extrinsic motivators as far as the rewards in the form of coins, or whether it's me as a clinician encouraging them or motivating them or saying, great job. But a lot of it is intrinsic motivation because the patients want to get that target. They want to reach that motor point. And so we know that intrinsic motivation, that's the basis of all therapy. Does the patient want to do it? And you can't really substitute. I don't think there's anything really better than that. So I found that a lot of patients seem to be intrinsically motivated when they're participating in these activities. So as a clinician, I like to see that. I would highly recommend it for anybody who has a neuro-based patient population. What was exciting about it is that it worked with patients even who were 1 year post-stroke, which, you know, a lot of people think that, oh, it's just those first 6 months, but our research showed that no, you can be farther out than that and still make gains, motor gains. So that was really exciting to see. So I highly recommend this product. I really hope that we get it for our facility, and I think it'd be something that would be really great to see in any facility that works with neuro-based patients.